Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a simple veggie wrap and we're going to be using some spinach, some kale, some lettuce, some carrots and some cucumbers. We're also going to be adding some avocado as well as some potatoes. Now for the potatoes, if you haven't seen my smashed potato video, then you should check that out because that's exactly what we're going to use. And so we're going to start by getting the avocado ready. What we're going to do is to mash the avocado with a fork and then just season that very well. And we're going to be adding some paprika, some onion powder, some black pepper, some white pepper, as well as some salt. And the next thing we're going to do is to get the carrots and cucumbers cut. So we're going to cut the cucumbers into long strips and then going to do the same for the carrots. Now the smashed potatoes are really easy to make. If you have leftover potatoes, you basically just smashing those up, adding some onions and salt and seasoning your potatoes as well. You want to make sure your potatoes are also very well seasoned. So once we've got all the ingredients ready, we're ready to put the wrap together. Now you want to also make sure that your wrap is not hard because then rolling is going to be difficult. So make sure that it is nice and soft. And then first thing we're going to do is spread the avocado on there. Make sure that you leave enough space on the left and the right side. You can see that right now. And a bit of space from at the bottom so that you're able to wrap. And so then we're going to add some spinach and then add some lettuce. And then we're going to be adding our potatoes as well. Once we've got those on, then we're going to add our carrots and then add our cucumbers. And of course, add our basil, not forgetting our basil. And then we're ready to wrap. So you're going to lift the left side and the right side of the wrap and then put that together and then squeeze the ingredients together so that they don't fall out, so to speak. And then you're going to raise the bottom up and then just try and roll that. As you're rolling, you want to make sure that the left side and the right side are not getting open. And so you're just going to roll that all the way until the end. And that's your wrap already. Now, when it comes to wrapping tortillas, there's so many different ways. For me, this is just a bit easier. You can absolutely just roll it around and then use a toothpick to hold it in place. You can really do anything, but this absolutely works for me. If for some reason it keeps opening up, you can actually use a toothpick to hold that, or you can put that in the pan, in a hot pan, for the bottom to seal. Unless you have overfilled your wrap, it actually shouldn't be a huge problem opening up. So that's our wrap all done. We've got two of these and we're just going to cut that in the center just to show how beautiful the inside is. And so that's our wrap already. Very fresh, very delicious. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Recipe is up on gingerandseasalt.com. Happy eating!